gotta go tie the thing up. Here you go. Just a video on why I gotta tie that up real quick. Our greenhorn don't know how to do it. Hey, you see how close you are to the tree?
Yeah.
There you go. Back up a little bit. Safety first. Unless you want to drop it on top of you. Wicked board. Smart. Don't worry about it. I got it, bro. Got it. See how I did it? Loop through just like this. Catch it. Flip it. Go through it. And back underneath it. Except for I went a little short on it, but it'll be alright. And back through the loop. Full line. Tighten everything up. That way you know it's good. Alright.
Ha ha ha!